My best friend. Everyone needs a best friend, someone they can trust, laugh with, and share all their secrets. I am lucky to have a best friend named Emma. We have been best friends since we were very young, and I can't imagine my life without her. This is the story of how we became friends, why she is so special to me, and all the fun things we do together. Emma and I met for the first time in kindergarten. I was a little shy when I started school, and I didn't know many people. On my first day, I sat quietly by myself, not sure what to do. That's when Emma walked over with a big smile on her face. "Hi, I'm Emma. Do you want to play with me?" she asked. I smiled back and nodded. From that moment, we became best friends. It was like we had known each other forever. One of the things that makes Emma such a good friend is how kind and caring she is. Whenever I feel sad or upset, she is always there to cheer me up. She listens to me and never judges me. One time, I got a bad grade on a test and I was feeling really down about it. Emma saw that I wasn't myself and came over to talk. She told me not to worry and reminded me that everyone makes mistakes sometimes. "You'll do better next time," she said. Her kind words made me feel a lot better, and she even helped me study for the next test. Because of her support, I did much better on the next one. Emma is also very funny. She always knows how to make me laugh, even when I'm having a bad day. We love to tell jokes and make funny faces at each other. Sometimes we laugh so hard that our stomachs hurt. One time, we were at the park and we saw a dog chasing its tail in circles. Emma started imitating the dog, running around in circles, pretending to chase her tail too. It was so funny that I couldn't stop laughing. Moments like these are what make our friendship so special. Another reason why Emma is my best friend is that we have so much in common. We both love the same hobbies, like playing soccer, drawing, and reading books. Every Saturday, we go to the park to play soccer with other kids in our neighborhood. We're on the same team, and we always have fun, win or lose. Emma is really good at soccer, and she teaches me new tricks to improve my skills. She never gets mad if I make a mistake, and we always encourage each other. Having a best friend who shares the same interests makes everything more fun. In addition to playing soccer, we also love drawing together. Emma is an amazing artist, and I love watching her create beautiful pictures. She uses so many colors and always has great ideas for what to draw. Sometimes we have drawing competitions where we each draw something and then show it to our families to see who drew it better. Of course, we don't take it too seriously. It's just for fun. Most of the time, we end up laughing at how funny some of our drawings turn out. One of my favorite memories with Emma is when we spent a weekend camping with our families. We had been planning the trip for weeks, and we were so excited when the day finally came. We set up our tents near a beautiful lake and spent the weekend exploring the outdoors. During the day, we went hiking and found a little stream where we dipped our feet in the cool water. At night, we sat around the campfire, roasting marshmallows and telling stories. Emma told the funniest story about a squirrel she had seen stealing someone's lunch at the park. We laughed so hard that night that I almost fell off the log I was sitting on. Emma is not just a fun friend, she is also very brave. There was a time when we were riding our bikes in the neighborhood, and we accidentally rode past a big dog. The dog started barking loudly and ran toward us. I got really scared and didn't know what to do. But Emma stayed calm and told me to follow her as we slowly backed away from the dog. She talked to the dog in a gentle voice, and after a few minutes, the dog calmed down and walked away. I was so thankful for Emma's bravery. She always knows what to do in scary situations, and I trust her completely. Our friendship has grown stronger over the years because we've been through a lot together. We've had our ups and downs, like any friendship. Sometimes we have small arguments about silly things, like who gets to pick the movie or what game to play. But no matter what, we always make up quickly because we value our friendship more than anything. We know that a good friendship isn't just about agreeing all the time. It's about supporting each other, even when we disagree. Emma has taught me so much about being a good friend. She has shown me the importance of kindness, patience, and understanding. We both make mistakes sometimes, but we always forgive each other and move on. That's what makes our friendship so strong. We know we can count on each other, no matter what. As we continue to grow up, I know that Emma will always be my best friend. We have so many more adventures ahead of us, and I can't wait to see where our friendship takes us. Whether we're playing soccer, laughing at our silly drawings, or just sitting together, talking about our dreams, I know that Emma will always be by my side. In the future, I hope we stay friends forever, even when we grow older. True friends are hard to find, and I feel so lucky to have found mine at such a young age. Some people spend their whole lives searching for a best friend, but I've already found mine in Emma. She is more than just a friend. She is like a sister to me. In conclusion, having a best friend like Emma is one of the greatest joys in my life. She is kind, funny, brave, and always there for me. We have shared so many wonderful memories together, and I know there are many more to come. Our friendship has made me a better person, and I will always be grateful for her. No matter where life takes us, I know that Emma will always be my best friend, and I will always be hers. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe for more fun video.